Hi everyone, it's Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today I'm bringing what I consider the perfect file for Christmas in July. It's from treasureboxdesigns.com, and the SVG file name is Vertical, Title, Santa's List. I did import it into Cricut Design Space without making any changes to the sizing because it's actually perfect. So my colors, I'm going to start with that dark gray. It is called Concrete by American Crafts. It is textured. My black cardstock is just black by American Crafts. And I went with a smooth white American Crafts. That way little hands can scribble their wish list with a pen or pencil, colored pencil, a crayon, and that way they weren't fighting the textured paper. I just thought that this was going to be perfect. Whether you're a mom, a grandma, an aunt, a teacher, just to have the kids fill it out. And you can scrapbook this. It would be perfect on an 8 by 8, 12 by 12 layout with a picture of them with one of the gifts off their wish list, plus just reminiscing over their childhood years as they get older and looking at the difference of their writing from when they're younger. I know I love finding pieces of my daughter's artwork and her Christmas lists and her thank you letters and all the Mother's Day cards from when she was younger. She's 19 now, but it's just crazy how much their writing changes over the years. So does their personality. So that silver piece of cardstock that's reflective is called silver mirror foil. I went with that because I wanted it to resemble a notebook a little bit more. After I laid that down, I did go ahead and put on the green cardstock, which is the color Grass by American Crafts. It is textured as well. All of my paper is textured. I love texture. Now this red to the hat, it does have a brim. I'm going to put that on before I do the rest of his piece up there. This is the color Crimson by American Crafts, and it is textured. And while I'm doing this video editing and voiceover, I just realized something else that you could add for texture that would be so cute is order some pom-poms, or you can go to the store and grab them because they have them everywhere, and put a pom-pom over that little ball at the end of his hat. That would just be so cute. I might go back and add it later. I don't know if I'll be able to squeeze it under the ear or not. Actually, I'll just put it over the ear. Nobody will know, right? Okay. Now, if you're using the color Shrimp for skin tone, I am going to give you a huge recommendation that will help you. Use the back side of it. Use the smooth side and ink the smooth side, gluing the texture side down. Also, it depends on what color ink you're using. I found using Catherine Pooler's Clay Mask ink, it brings out more of the peach tones instead of the orange tones of the paper. And that's kind of how I've been able to skate by with a lot of the peach with the files that I do, is I use the back side of the paper. And it's not so I can draw the eyelashes on smoother, because I've been doing it so long. All of my bears, it's on textured paper. The reason I use the back side is because for some reason it's a lighter tone than the textured side. All right, now that being said, let's get back to the order here. After you glue the little ball on the end of his hat, you're going to put his ears on, left and right, and then the hat on. Then you will go ahead and glue the letters on. I did an ombre. Normally I would go around them completely, but I did an ombre so that way the darker part was at the top to give you a little bit of a differentiation between his hat and the lettering. And over there on my little paper by his hat that's in my hand right now, it's the Xyron sticker maker. I run some of my finer things through just one because it makes it easier than getting glue all over the place or losing pieces while you're trying to get everything together. I will find pieces way later, or my husband brings them to me and says, "Hey, what's this to?" I said, "Never mind, baby. I already cut it out and redid it. I was looking for that." And that just keeps it together in one spot for me, and it's convenient. And like I said, I only use it on the super fine things like the word list and the little dot. I did show a little bottle. That is Nuvo drops. I get them on Amazon, and that was in the color Dandelion. That just gives it some shiny texture, the little balls, but they do sell little jingle balls, jingle bells, I found in a bag at Hobby Lobby. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.